Yeah, teacher.
But you know, this is the teacher yun.
Laliit kasi.
So, my exhibition is just middle of the class.
Because it's different size. Oh yeah!
And different design.
Very unique. Yeah. That's why you're visual.
Yeah. We're now going to the place where we're going to eat lunch. Yeah, and Teacher Joe is coming with us. Sam, something new. Wow.
Teacher, your outfit.
Wow. Wow, model처럼. Oh.
Yes, today is
Ate Janine and her Krispy Kreme. Parang familiar.
Flashback.
Stranger into my eyes. Oh, we're here na. Wow, finally Popeye is open. It's just 2 minutes away from Casey's. Anyong.
What do you mean? What do you
Ano size?
John. What do you say? Order rice. This is what I ordered.
Is this Cajun is meat?
I haven't tried. Cajun rice.
Cajun rice.
I'll just try.
Thank you. Hindi ko pa nasabi yung
Hi.
This is why you eat Cajun rice.
wala na.
Cajun rice.
Bakit ka Cajun rice?
Chinchayo?
Okay, you try. Lasang ano? Masarap. Masaya?
Sisig? Sisig ba? Hindi.
그러면 그 혹시 그
Sorry na talaga. Getting ready. Our costume is here na. And the drums. And my teammates. Okay. Service arrived. They're loading na yung mga instruments sa loob ng car. Hello! Hi! And here's our instrument. We're still waiting for the other members pa. Hello! I'm done with makeup.
Hello.
Yeah. And nandito lang kami sa CR here in UP. Everyone's busy preparing for makeup. And I'm done. Magko-costume na ako. Yeah, see you in a bit. Now wearing my costume for today. Yes. Yeah, a beautiful hanbok. A little pink combination of pink, pink and purple and green. And my team also, ay may nagbibis pa pala dun. And my teammate, almost done. Yeah. Wow, ang ganda pala niyang combination. Yeah. Nagsama ulit ako. Yan. Yay! Hato.
Dapat yung ladies and gentlemen.
Charot. Ano yun?
Ladies.
Aray ko. Ah, sige. 5, 6. Ako muna.
Okay.
Tada!
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand with every guitar string star on my hand?
Aray ko!
Sorry. Nasobrahan.
Nasobrahan. Model your handbag. Ay, hindi pa pala ako naka-shoes! I forgot my shoes.
A few moments later.
Balik daw tayo sa stage. Punta daw kayo kay Crescent.
Thank you very much, Sir Apple. Yung wallet mo yun. Hi, thank you much. Meron tayong
Annyeonghaseyo.
presentation from the
Anong meron?
Cultural Center, Nara. So I'd like to bring you all back to our stage over here.
Wow.
Thank you very much for your enthusiasm in joining our...
Hello, kamusta? Ay, ba? Sorry.
I introduce first. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 네, 반갑습니다.
We are from Korea Cultural Center in the Philippines. They are all Filipina. Yes. Yeah, they love
Korea culture, especially Korean dance, traditional dance.
So we are since 2010. So we are perform Jangguchum. Thank you for invite us. Join us.